We are getting Harley after Harley after Harley in the shop right now. We have this beautiful 2017 Streetglide Special in for a 6-speaker dual amp setup just in time for Thunderbeat. Got the rate kit, a 26 normal size tire in the front and rear air ride. Another bike, I don't know, I really like this combination. The 26 in the front, the air ride front and rear, automatic center stand, looks really, really good. So real quick before we get this in the bay and torn down and show you all the final results. All right, let's talk about what we're doing in this bike. We're gonna start with the head unit. This bike has just the basic OEM with the buttons. A lot of people like to upgrade these. They don't have the GTS radio. So we're doing the Soundstream HDHU 14SI radio on here with the Magic Cast dongle. From there, we're going to do our HKI Mini DSP. We're going to do an 804 and a 1601 Soundigital Evo X2. To control that 1601, we are doing the Nagy Customs bass knob. We're going to put it right up here. Might have to relocate the air ride switches. We're going to throw the Cicada CH 6.5s in the fairing. We're going to do the lid cutting kit from Cicada with the Hertz 6x9s. And in the bags, we are doing the Hertz 200L woofers. This is a really good setup. We like it. It sounds amazing. Just gives you that nice full sound. That 1600 with how efficient those Hertz are sounds amazing. And when you put the Hertz 6x9s in the lids, it helps carry that mid bass out. So we're really excited for this bike. It's gonna sound absolutely amazing. Oh, and also you can't forget putting all that power. You've got to do a lithium battery in the seat. So again, shout out to Braille for the G30H that's going in there with the Optimate matching charger. So, I don't know, enough talking. Let's get this in here, get it torn down, because we're gonna do this in a couple of days so we can finish our prep for Thunder Beach. Like we said, this is a super tight fit, 1601, 804, HKI Mini DSPs stuffed in here. This is a Soundstream Reserve, the HDHU 14SI. Maestro's over here, nice and tight, but we're gonna get the fairing shroud from 309 on here, get all this buttoned up, the fairing back on it, and get it ready for the customer to pick up. This beautiful 2017 Streetglide is complete. As I told you already, this bike is in for our Stage 3 high power 6-speaker audio package. And what makes this a high power is our Stage 3 audio packages are 2 804s, 6.5 in the fairing, 6x9 lid cutting kit, 8s in the bags. Takes it to a high power when we do an 804 and a 1601. Nagy Customs bass knob and a lithium battery. It's the Braille G30H lithium battery underneath the seats. Make sure this bike has more than enough power to feed those amplifiers, to give them the voltage that they need to make sure they put out top peak power. All of the equipment is in the fairing, and when we've been told that it is a tight fit, it is a tight fit. We have an 804 here, a 1601 here. HKI Mini DSP is right there. All the wiring is up in the fairing. And then he wanted to change out his radio to a Soundstream. It's a Soundstream HDHU 14SI. We also did the Magic Cast Bluetooth dongle for it, so there was no need to flash the radio. And then in the lids, we did the 6x9 cutting kit. We did the Hertz cutting kit with the Hertz SX 690s, and then the Hertz 200Ls in the bag. So let's show you everything so that way y'all didn't think we stuffed anything in the bags, and then go from there. All the equipment, 804, 1601, HKI Mini DSP right there. Everything is stuffed up in the fairing. Soundstream Reserve head unit there. We got the Magic Cast wireless CarPlay dongle right here. Nagy Custom bass knob with the power light and clip indicator. Customer had air ride put on, so we switched up where we put the bass knob over here. Hertz 6x9 lid cutting kit right there. Looks super slick. I like they changed it up just a little bit. SX 690 Neos, Hertz 200Ls with the inside mount ring. And we also did a little printed ring right there to help distribute the tension of the mounting of it. We made sure to cut it out to where you couldn't see it back here or there. And we also put, I don't know if you can see it, speaker mesh material over the front of it to help keep them elements off of them, the debris, keep the speakers good and clean. Again, typical Davidson Audio clean wiring. Nothing else in the bags, so you know there's no equipment inside the bags whatsoever. So let's go ahead, play this so y'all can hear how great it sounds, and the customer's on his way soon to pick it up.
I was down, but now I'm up. It's all God, this ain't no love. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Like my name Lazarus, no Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours he spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though he didn't even know that it would work. Talk about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's why he should work. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the sun. God is good all the time. God is good all the time. If he ain't, then you lying in the rain, in the sun. God is good all the time. Okay, some days be the best, some days be the worst, some days stay on replay. Other days they don't. Oh well, okay. Guess what? You woke up today, put a big smile on your face.
I got some battles, I got some issues, I got some problems, I got some trauma, been through the fire, been through the drama, I got some enemies, can't even see him and they wanna hurt me, but God is a friend of me, I call him Father, he's giving me purpose, he's giving me therapy, plus he gon' carry me, evil was scaring me, trying to put fear in me, felt like the planet was running to heresy, clutching for meaning in darkness and perishing, you can embarrass me, kill me, you bury me.
Customer's here to pick up his bike, this beautiful Streetglide. He did the 26 full air ride, really nice bike. We've showed you guys the entire install inside and out. So now it's time for him to pick it up. So we're just going to see what his thoughts are of the process of dealing with us from the beginning to the finish, and then what his thoughts are on the system.
It was a really easy process. Brandon's a great guy to do everything with. Sounds great. Well worth the money. 100% recommend everything.
I appreciate it. We're going to let him, he's going to run to the house and then come back, pick his bike up, and we wanted to get him in for Thunder Beach, and we were able to scoot it in. So now this video will drop after Thunder Beach, so you'll see some footage coming at Thunder Beach. So again, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian motorcycle or your Harley or any other motorcycle, we can get you taken care of. So come visit us down here in Panama City Beach.